Reciting Hanuman Chalisa with English. Hi everyone, Hare Krishna. So today what I was doing here, that is I want to tell you. I was worshipping and I was thinking about one thing, that is Hanuman Chalisa. Nowadays my mother told me that do Hanuman Chalisa, recite Hanuman Chalisa. Every day I don't feel good these days and I can't stay alone. I don't feel good because I live alone, so most of the time I want to go home. So that's why my mother told me that start reciting Hanuman Chalisa and see what happens. So I thought of starting Hanuman Chalisa and I remember one thing, that why not to practice English with this Hanuman Chalisa, citing Hanuman Chalisa with English. So let's ask to Gemini how we can do that. Hey Gemini, I want to ask you one question, that Hanuman Chalisa, reciting Hanuman Chalisa can be done English as well, to learn English, both Hindi and English both, so that I can learn English and also I can recite Hanuman Chalisa. So both can be fulfilled. My learning English also.
That is a wonderful and spiritually grounding idea. Combining something you already know by heart, like the Hanuman Chalisa, with your goal of learning English is a highly effective way to build fluency. Since you already understand the meaning and emotion behind the verses, your brain can focus entirely on the new English vocabulary and sentence structures. Here is a simple way to structure your practice so you can recite and learn at the same time. The parallel text method. Create a notebook where you write the original Awadhi Hindi on one side and a poetic English translation on the other. Awadhi/Hindi. English translation. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. Victory to Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Jai Kapisti Hunlo Ujagar. Victory to the Lord of Monkeys, who illuminates the three worlds. 2. Active learning steps. To make sure you are actually learning English and not just copying words, try these steps. Break down the verbs. In the first line, identify the word illuminates. You can practice using it in other sentences. The sun illuminates the garden. Recite aloud. Read the English version with the same passion you use for the original. This helps with your pronunciation and mouth muscles for English. Contextual writing. After writing a verse, write one sentence in English about what that verse means to you personally. 3. Why this works for you. Emotional connection. You are more likely to remember words associated with your faith and daily practice. Since the Chalisa is often recited daily, you will get the spaced repetition needed to move English words from your short-term to your long-term memory. A small tip. Don't worry about the English being perfect or sounding too formal. The goal is to express the power of the verses in a way that feels natural to you. Would you like me to help you translate a specific verse into English so you can start your notebook today?
Yes, you can send me and I will practice right now with you.
Let's do this. It's a powerful way to practice because the rhythm of the Hanuman Chalisa stays with you. We will take the opening Shopai, the first two verses. I have translated them into clear, modern English so you can use these words in daily conversation too. Step 1, let's practice together. Read the English lines out loud. Notice the bold words. These are great for your vocabulary. Verse 1, Hindi, Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. English, victory to Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Practice tip. Use ocean when you want to describe a lot of something, e.g., an ocean of opportunities. Verse 2, Hindi Jai Kapisti Hunlo Ujagar. English, victory to the Lord of Monkeys, who enlightens the three worlds. Practice tip. Enlighten means to give someone knowledge or clarity. Step 2, your turn to write. To make this stick in your memory, try this right now. 1. Repeat after me. Say the English lines above 3 times. 2. Make a sentence. Try to use the word wisdom, which means gyan, in a simple English sentence about your teaching or your students. Why this helps your English. Wisdom/virtue, these are high-level words that will make your English sound more professional and deep. Sentence structure. You are learning how to describe someone's qualities. Subject plus is plus description. Would you like me to send the next 2 verses, or should we practice making a few sentences with wisdom and enlighten first?
Yeah, now this is all about this much I can do it, that I will do. So this is how we can practice our English. This is how we can practice our English. As I am just practicing in this way, I thought of reciting Hanuman Chalisa, and why not to English as well? Because my learning language is English. So only speaking Hindi, that is not going to help me to reach out in my dream where I want to become fluent speaker and I want to speak English. So for that matter, we need life with connection. We need connection. Like, we need to indulge. So what can I do for that? I can do one thing, that is speaking, reciting Hanuman Chalisa in Hindi with English, so that I can improve my English, because there are many words we don't know. I don't know vocabularies. So we can learn our spirituality in English as well, right? Our ritual, our religion, we can do that. So this is my first day of doing it. And one thing I want to tell you, we should not wear black dress while worshipping. This is my mistake, I know. We should not wear, black dress. My mother hates black when we wear black dress and worship. That is not good. We should not do that. So, but today I am alone here in the rented house, and because here I am alone in this rented house, so I did it just for recording. I didn't think about it that I would record this video, or I even didn't think about to reciting Hanuman Chalisa, but all of a sudden I did it. So that's why I'm wearing this black dress, but it's not good. We should not do it. Yeah. You can let me know if you have idea that black dress we can wear and we can worship or not. Do you also think? You can let me know in the comment section. And what do you think about this Hanuman Chalisa? Since childhood we have been doing, and it is in our spirituality. So why not to learn English as well with this? So if you want to improve your English, you can improve in this way, based on lifestyle, what you do in your life. You can practice English in this way. Bye bye.